Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In the Catalog panel, you'll find the All Synced Photographs collection. This collection, which is not displayed in the Collections panel, displays all your Lightroom Classic CC photos that are synced to Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC mobile clients. In other words, the photos displayed in the All Synced Photographs collection within the Catalog panel are the same as the photos that appear in the All Photos view in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC on the web, the Lightroom Classic CC Photos view in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC for mobile iOS, and the Lightroom Classic CC Photos view in Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC for Android. If you use Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC mobile clients, you can use Lightroom Classic CC on your desktop to easily sync photos with the mobile clients. To do this, simply drag and drop a photo onto the All Synced Photographs collection in the Catalog panel. It's worth noting that you must turn the Sync with Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC option on within your mobile clients. You can also remove photos from the All Synced Photographs collection in Lightroom Classic CC. When you delete photos from the All Synced Photographs collection, photos are removed from all your Lightroom CC mobile clients, but not from your Lightroom Classic CC desktop catalog. To delete a photo from the All Synced Photographs collection, display the Library module in Lightroom Classic CC. Then select the All Synced Photographs collection from the Catalog panel. In the grid view, select one or more photos to remove, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can choose Photo, Remove from All Synced Photographs from the menu bar to remove selected photos.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.